Hi guys, I am working on my reader's notebook. I'm on page 107 and we are going to be using similes. Okay, so before we get started, let's discuss a little bit about what similes are. Okay, so similes are used to compare two different things by using the word like or as. So let's go ahead and write those two words down. Like or as. Okay, we can compare two things that are not the same, but we can compare them using the word like or as. For example, right here, my face turned red. Now, my face turned red. Think of something that is also red, okay, like a tomato. So now your face and tomato are not the same. They're different, but you can compare them using the word as. My face turned as red as a tomato, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing today. We are going to read the description and then we're going to add a simile to it. Here it says, huge rain clouds blocked the sun and made it dark outside. So we're going to think of what we can compare that is also dark. Okay, huge rain clouds blocked the sun and made it dark as what? Dark as, what can you guys think of? Like, what time of the day is it dark? If you say night, then we can use that because dark and night are similar. Okay, huge rain clouds blocked the sun and made it dark as night outside. Made it dark as night outside. Okay, so same thing, clouds and night are not the same, but we can use the word as and compare them, okay, using in a simile, using the word as. Okay, number 2, the children walking in the hallway are loud. Okay, what is something that is loud? Okay, think of something loud. And then we're going to write that over here. The children walking in the hallway are loud as a something that's loud. Okay, so you can write something that you think of. I am going to write children walking in the hallway are loud as a herd of stampeding elephants. Okay, period. Okay, number 8, B, part B says read each description, add a simile to each description to create a clear picture for the reader. Write your new sentences. A freshly washed floor was slippery. As slippery as what? What is something else that may be slippery? Okay, we can say a freshly washed floor was as slippery as slippery as ice. Okay, because ice is pretty slippery. Okay, number 4. The new mall is huge. Okay, compare it to something else that is also huge. Okay, we can say the new mall is is as huge as a city. Cities are pretty big. Okay, and that's it. You can down here write your own simile. Okay, compare something using the word like or as. I'm going to give you an example. Okay, let's talk. I'm going to say the Arctic water. Okay, remember we read a book about Arctic and how freezing cold it is. Okay, so I'm going to say the Arctic water is as chilly as something that I know, something that's really chilly. Okay, as chilly as a snow cone. Okay, that's it. You can write one on your own. Okay, now I'm on page 108. We're going to talk about less common plurals. Okay, usually to form a common, we add an S or ES. Now these plurals are not common, okay, so they don't follow the same rule. For example, if you notice, they all end with a V. Okay, VES, VES. So the singular form of this over here, knives, would be knife. Okay. Singular form of leaf would be this, leaf. Okay, and so on. So all of the words that end with an F, if you look over here, okay, like for example, life is lives. If a singular form ends with an F, we change the F to a V, then we add ES. So life would be lives, half would be halves, leaf would be leaves, hoof would be hooves, knife, knives, elf, elves, wolf, wolves, wife, wives, thief, thieves, scarf, scarves, loaf, loaves, self, and selves. Okay, same thing over here. All of these end with an F. So we change the F to a V, then add ES. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at number 1. The blacksmith put shoes on the horse's hooves. Run for your lives. Do you have any blank of wheat bread? Loaves. Make sure you're reading along with me. In the autumn, the leaves fall from the trees. Set the table with forks and knives. Forks, knives, and spoons.